Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria. In today's video we are going to learn how to do shading in dark, medium, light and very light tones. For this I am using the 11 number pencil, and the very first time I am doing it dark, and next I am reducing the pressure and doing it medium. And see that whenever you are doing the shading, see that you are doing with the same pressure on the whole the whole part you are coloring. It is dark, medium, light or very light. Now I am doing it very light. Okay, let us try once more. And in shading and in artwork, shading plays a very important role, so you need to be very perfect in this. Let's try the dark shade. See the pressure I am applying and I am doing it, and see the way I am holding my pencil. I am holding 3 fingers away from the point and doing the shading. This is the dark shade, and now I'm reducing my pressure and I'm doing it in medium tone. This is medium and this is light, a little bit lesser than the medium tone. And next I'll be doing very light. This is just the feather touch on the paper. And now let us do it continuous. Dark, medium, light and even more light will just match everything to the paper when it comes to very light. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you're watching for the first time. Happy drawing and keep drawing.